I'm sure you're well aware that to search for a word, you can just use the / key, and then you could put something in, like I could put in count here, and then I can hit return. I'm taken to the first instance after where the cursor is at. I can use the N key to move forwards, big N to move backwards or up. So that's one way to search. You also have the opposite direction with the question mark. And today I want to talk about a different way to search. So if I go ahead and clear out the search right now with no HL search, that'll erase the previous search. It won't highlight the instances of it anymore. All right, so now if I want to search for a word like count, instead of typing it out, I can just use the asterisk key if I'm sitting on top of it. And in this case, I'm sitting on top of the word count that also has square brackets and apostrophe TH. So you can see those matches there. If I back up here to the word forward, do asterisk again, you can see I've got my matches there. If I do asterisk here, I jump forward. And just like before, N will move forwards, little n, and capital N will move backwards here. Of course, if I clear that out again here, watch what happens down below in the command line. I'm sitting on top of the word search right now. Watch what happens when I hit asterisk here. So not only does it highlight everything, but you can see in the command line, it's got the / and then search, as well as the angle brackets around it, which basically specifies to match the exact word. And if you want to understand that one, I think there's an instance of the word search is in here somewhere. All right, so up above here, here's the word search. Right now, if I use asterisk, you can see it only highlights 3 instances here. If I jump back here, this time if I use G asterisk, you can see it highlights a bunch of extra things. It highlights the word searches as well. And that's because if you look down in the search bar or the command line, you can see it doesn't have the angle brackets around it. So it'll match more than just this word. It'll match beyond that in this case to include the word searches. And of course, if I were to search for G and asterisk here on the word searches, you can see it no longer includes just the word search because that's smaller than what I've specified down on the bar. So you've got asterisk, which will move you forward. You also have the opposite here where you can use pound to do the exact same thing backwards here. So if I were to go ahead and clear this out here, do this one more time here, I'll pick a new word this time. How about we go with the word vim? In this case, if I do pound on this one, you can see I jump way up, whereas I was down here before. So pound will take me up, asterisk down. So keep that in mind. That's the start of a search, just like you have / or question mark. Now you can also add asterisk and pound. And I think these are helpful because there's a lot of times I'm sitting on top of a word. I want to find other instances of it. And so it'd be nice just to hit a single key and not have to type everything in to be able to find it. Also, one more thing here with this. Let me clear this out here. If I were to make a selection in visual mode here, maybe select var here. So if I use asterisk here, so in this case, I'm matching on just the word var and not the entire word variable. All right, so that's it for now. Just thought this would be interesting to pass along. I think it's helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if there's any other search tips you have, let me know as well. I'm still learning a lot. I'm still digging through the documentation and finding things at times. I'm always looking for tips. Let me know down below.